Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Sarmert LS07 Cam 2K with 32 GB SD card, HD camera built-in Wi-Fi, small car camera cam front with night vision. Voice guidance, 24-hour parking mode, loop recording, G-sensor. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2K QHD front. Sarmert Cam LS07 provides 2560x1440p QHD resolution and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens. Smart camera reduces blind spots and captures super clear views, providing clear footage even in low-light situations, like nighttime or in a tunnel. Reliable witness for accident. With a 32 GB SD card provided, maximum support of 128 GB. When the built-in G-sensor and 24-hour parking mode detect a sudden vibration or collision, the car camera front will auto-record and lock videos in a loop as important evidence for insurance claims. Small Smart App Control. The 4.17-inch dashcam is about the length of one thumb. The design is exquisite and small, easy to hide, and the driving vision will not be affected. The voice-controlled dashcam has built-in Wi-Fi, free configuration app CACM, support Apple, Android, which allows you to operate, download, or share driving record videos efficiently. 7/24 parking monitor. Dashboard camera provides the time-lapse parking mode and impact detection parking mode to meet the needs of multiple scenarios and improve your safe driving experience. The hardwire kit is required for parking monitoring mode, and is sold separately. Supercapacitor. Built-in supercapacitor, the service life is twice that of the lithium battery. Withstands extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and operates from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.